Hello, this is Brian again. Welcome to the next installment of Peak 4202, which just lies over there. That little bump in the center is point 4092. So that's Peak 4202. I just came over the false summit, which I expected. Now I'm on a relatively level traverse right now, and just got crossed by a beautiful western whiptail lizard. To be honest with you, it's warm up here, but it's not that hot. I just sweat a lot because I'm packing a lot of weight. I'm a pretty heavy guy, pretty heavy set guy, so I get hot a lot more easily. But do get some nice views along here towards Angeles Crest Highway, or N3. So this is a pretty scenic little hike. That first part is steep. Like I said, it mellows out here towards the middle a little bit, and then looks like we rise up a steep little bit to that little false summit in front, and then the real summit's behind it. So I'm enjoying this little stretch. It's pretty steep coming up from Clear Creek Junction. Oh, at least, well, it's not much of one, but there is a very slight breeze. And when I say very slight, I mean very slight. So I really don't recommend this during the hotter weather. Temperatures last couple days, including today, have been actually a few degrees below normal. Not by a huge amount, at least not here. So it makes this actually doable for a time of year where it's usually a probably much more grueling march. You're gonna be working your legs on the bottom portion of this, and going down it's not gonna be much fun either. It does get a little slippery at times. Hiking poles would probably be a good idea, but I'm coming up to the base of the next obstacle, which is that false summit just up ahead, and then it looks like it loosens up. The grade loosens up, and then make one more climb up to the top. So it's about to get real steep again. It's pretty up here though. A lot of lizards to keep you company. So you don't have to worry about being alone. I don't get the impression that this use trail gets an insane amount of traffic, but sometimes if people see a trail, they'll walk it. I'm sometimes one of those guys. Alright, let's start going up some granite gravel here. Let's see how slippery this gets. When I get to the top, I'm going to chug down a water bottle. Looking over towards Mount Deception right there, which is part of Mount Disappointment's San Gabriel Peaks Ridge. Alright. Should have brought some sunglasses. The sun's reflecting off of the soil, and it's bright. Going slow because the soil's kind of loose here. Well, let's see. A lot of deerweed up here. It's this small plant. Gets the tiny pea-shaped flowers. About a month or two, it's going to look like it's dead because it goes dormant in the summertime when it's dry. These tiny little pea-shaped flowers, 3 little leaflets. Pretty common along this stretch. It's Acmispon glaber variety glaber. Used to be known as Lotus scoparius variety scoparius. I'm almost at the fall summit. Just taking it slow because the soil's kind of loose here. And I got a lot of bugs bugging me. Here's the final push. Okay, a swallowtail? Might be a swallowtail butterfly. All right, last stretch here. A little pine up there. I wonder if that's a... All right, last push. I think. Spray pine. Huh. Pinus sabiniana. Yeah. It's not a coulter pine. Looks like one, but small Pinus sabiniana. See him planted here in the San Gabriels. That's cool. Sometimes they do naturalize. See them in their native habitat here in Los Angeles County. You gotta go near, kind of near the Lake Hughes area, up by Liebre Mountain. All right, just about here. All right, this was a short, steep one. So here it is. Peak 4202. Whew. It's a sweaty climb getting up here. I don't mind telling you. Oh, sweat through my shirt. All right. basically, if I want to get to that, I'm gonna have to go down this, and then go up that. Oh, a big boulder down there. Wow. You get different perspectives here than you do just cruising along the highway. That's down towards the Switzer's picnic area. And it's full of people today on a Tuesday. Gosh, see, the cars are freaking jamming it up over there. But here it is, peak 4202. Lawler, Strawberry, and Josephine. Still rising quite a bit over where we are here. Just barely at 4,200 feet in elevation here. That's looking over towards, I believe, Brown Mountain right there. And then Mount Low's that pointy one over there. So we get a really unique perspective on the Front Range from here. You see Angeles Crest Highway snaking its way up just to the east of Mount Lukens. Then it kind of whirls around here. That's Hoyt Mountain right there, 4,404 feet. That's Bob's Gap. That's the area I was telling you about in the first clip with the weird parking area. It has a weird arrow pointing this way, a weird stop sign location. It's just kind of weird looking, but kind of neat. But yeah, that's Hoyt Mountain. Definitely feels nice because I'm getting a little bit of a cool breeze up here. Still debating whether I should go for 4092. It's only about 100 feet lower than here, but about 110 feet lower. However, I don't know what the terrain is like going down. So I'm just gonna get a bottle, open up a bottle of water and rehydrate a little bit. It is pretty warm up here, but it's pretty cool. A nice peak. It's no place to sit though for now, but oh well. You can see the Josephine Fire Road snaking its way up that way. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get something to drink, take my summit selfie, and then decide whether I'm gonna go for 4092 or not. Well, we'll see.